Have you ever wondered about the journey of your smartphone? It's a story of innovation, precision, and collaboration. From a simple idea to a powerful device in your pocket, it's a fascinating process. It all starts with a spark of creativity, where designers brainstorm and sketch the initial concepts. Join us as we venture inside a smartphone factory and witness the magic of creation. Here, ideas transform into tangible products through meticulous planning and execution. We'll see how designers and engineers collaborate to bring ideas to life. They work tirelessly, refining every detail to ensure the best user experience. We'll explore the intricate manufacturing of tiny components, each playing a crucial role. These microchips and parts are the heart and brain of your smartphone. Then we'll witness the assembly line, a symphony of robotic precision and human expertise. It's a seamless blend of technology and craftsmanship. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind your smartphone's display, battery, and software. Each component is tested rigorously to meet high standards. We'll delve into the rigorous testing procedures that ensure quality and performance. Every smartphone undergoes multiple checks before it reaches you. Finally, we'll track the phone's journey from the factory floor to your very hands. From packaging to shipping, every step is crucial. Let's begin this incredible journey. The journey begins with an idea, a spark of creativity that ignites the imagination. Designers and engineers come together, sketching concepts and dreaming up new possibilities. They brainstorm, collaborate, and refine their ideas, turning abstract thoughts into tangible designs. They use advanced software to create three-dimensional models, experimenting with different shapes, sizes, and materials. This digital playground allows them to visualize and tweak every aspect of the design. Every detail is meticulously planned, from the placement of buttons to the curvature of the screen. Nothing is left to chance. Precision is key. Engineers work tirelessly to ensure the phone's internal components fit perfectly within the sleek exterior. They test and retest, striving for perfection. Throughout the design process, prototypes are built and rigorously tested. Each iteration brings them closer to the final product. Designers and engineers evaluate the phone's ergonomics, aesthetics, and functionality, making adjustments to achieve the perfect balance. They seek harmony between form and function. It's a collaborative dance between creativity and technical expertise, pushing the boundaries of innovation. Together, they transform dreams into reality, crafting devices that shape the future. Deep within the factory, a hidden world of precision engineering comes to life. Here, sophisticated machines craft the smartphone's core components with incredible accuracy. Imagine tiny chips, smaller than a fingernail, containing billions of transistors. These chips are the brains of the smartphone, responsible for its processing power and speed. Using advanced lithography techniques, intricate patterns are etched onto silicon wafers, creating the complex circuitry of these miniature marvels. Cameras, another crucial component, undergo a similarly meticulous manufacturing process. Tiny lenses, sensors, and image stabilizers are assembled with microscopic precision to capture stunning photos and videos. Now the individual components embark on their journey along the assembly line, a marvel of modern manufacturing. Here robots and humans work in perfect harmony, each contributing their unique skills to the process. Robotic arms, guided by precision programming, pick and place components with incredible speed and accuracy. They solder tiny connections, apply adhesives and screw in minuscule screws, tasks that would be impossible for human hands. Skilled technicians oversee the process, ensuring each component is installed correctly and the assembly line flows smoothly. They troubleshoot any issues, perform quality checks, and make adjustments to the process as needed. Two of the most crucial components, the display and battery, are installed with the utmost care. The display, a delicate sheet of glass and pixels, is carefully aligned and bonded to the phone's body. It undergoes rigorous testing to ensure brightness, clarity, and responsiveness. The battery, the phone's powerhouse, is slotted into place and connected to the circuitry. Stringent safety checks are performed to prevent overheating, short circuits, and any potential hazards. Technicians use specialized equipment to calibrate the display's touch sensitivity and color accuracy. They also test the battery's charging and discharging cycles to guarantee its performance and longevity. With the hardware in place, it's time to breathe life into the machine. The smartphone's operating system and applications are installed, transforming it from a collection of components into a powerful communication and entertainment device. Technicians connect the phones to computers, uploading the software and running a series of tests. They check the functionality of every button, app, and feature, ensuring a seamless user experience. The phones are subjected to simulated real-world scenarios, such as making calls, browsing the internet, and playing games. This rigorous testing process helps identify and resolve any software glitches or performance issues. Before leaving the factory, each smartphone must pass a gauntlet of quality control tests. These tests ensure that every device meets the highest standards of durability, performance, and safety. Drop tests evaluate the phone's resilience to impacts, simulating accidental drops from various heights. Water resistance tests check the phone's ability to withstand splashes, spills, and even brief submersion. Temperature and humidity tests simulate extreme environmental conditions, ensuring the phone can handle the heat of summer or the chill of winter. Throughout these tests, technicians meticulously inspect the phones for any signs of damage or malfunction. Finally, the smartphones, having passed all inspections, are packaged and prepared for distribution. This marks the culmination of a meticulous process that ensures each device meets the highest standards of quality and performance. They are carefully placed in boxes along with chargers, cables, and user manuals. Each component is thoughtfully included to enhance the user experience and ensure that customers have everything they need right out of the box. These boxes are then sealed and labeled, ready to be shipped to stores and customers worldwide. The logistics involved in this stage are crucial to ensure timely delivery and customer satisfaction. From the initial spark of an idea to the final product in your hand, the journey of a smartphone is a testament to human ingenuity and technological innovation. Each stage of development, from design to production, reflects the dedication and expertise of countless individuals. It's a complex process involving countless individuals, sophisticated machines, and rigorous quality control measures. Every step is meticulously planned and executed to ensure the highest quality and reliability of the final product. The next time you use your smartphone, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken, from the factory floor to your fingertips. This journey is a remarkable blend of technology, craftsmanship, and human effort, all coming together to create the device you rely on every day.